Today, we'll be unboxing the RX Series 5 megapixel 24/7 color turret camera, the M5T-NC. Then I'll show you how to connect it to your mobile device with the RX CamView app. After that, we'll hop on the web interface and I'll show you how to use the different modes and set up intelligent events with Deterrence triggers. Matt from Nelly Security here, and if you haven't already watched the overview video we made on this camera, go ahead and check it out. The link will be in the description below. Okay, let's dive into it. All right, here we go. So we have our quick start guide, our mounting template. We have our weatherproof grommets, some screws, and then we have the turret camera itself. Let's take this. Okay, so we have the two lights on the front of the camera that act as deterrence lights, or they illuminate everything for that 24/7 color. We have the 2.8mm lens here for that wide field of view. We have a built-in mic right there for audio recording and also sound detection triggered events. Taking a look at the turret, we have the retaining collar right here. We have the tightening ring right here, and then we have the base. To adjust where the camera is pointing, you will have to loosen up the tightening ring. But also, we loosen the tightening ring to get to the inside of the camera to access the internal storage. So right here, this is the internal storage. This plate acts as protection for the micro SD card slot that has a capacity of 256 gigabytes. The IR lights for the camera will be on the sides right here, and that is for that 100 feet of infrared. So let's take a look at the pigtail here. Here we have a Ethernet port for connecting to the network and powering up your camera. This camera can be powered with PoE. This cable is a port for a 12-volt DC connection. And there you go, that is the camera. Now that we have the turret unboxed, I'm going to power it up and show you how easy it is to connect to a mobile device. First, set up your camera where you want it and then power it on. Then you need to download the RX CamView app. Okay, open it up, tap the plus button, IP camera, and then scan the QR code on the back of your camera with your mobile device. The media port is 7050 and the login will be admin. Then get connected. From the app, you're gonna be able to flash the deterrence light manually with just a button, or turn intelligent events on and off. And just like that, right out of the box, you can control and view your camera from your mobile device. Super user friendly. Since it's daytime right now and I wanna show you the 24/7 color feature, we're going to set up the camera right here in the production room. That way we can simulate nighttime by turning off the lights. So I'm gonna set that up and then we will hop on the web interface and get things started. So here we are. I have the lights turned off so we have it looking like nighttime right now. There are two main modes for night viewing. First, there's full color mode. With this mode, the lights on the front of the camera will stay on and help illuminate everything around. This is the mode for 24/7 color. You will be able to set up intelligent events, but you can't use deterrent lights as triggers because the lights are being used for 24/7 color. Second, there's day-night mode. With this mode, the lights don't stay on and are used for deterrence instead of 24/7 color. This is going to be the mode for night vision. When it gets too dark to pull in color, the camera will turn to night vision, or you can manually set it to night vision by toggling here, if you prefer that. In this mode, you can turn on deterrence triggered intelligent events. Okay, so I'm gonna show you an example of one of the intelligent events, line crossing. Because this camera has artificial intelligence, it will be able to differentiate between vehicles and pedestrians. Okay, so in the detection type setting, you can toggle to filter out vehicles or pedestrians for each designated event. Since there's no cars in here, I'm going to set it to pedestrians. Now just draw your line. Let's go ahead and link a deterrent to our AI event. All you have to do is go to Event, Setup, and then Deterrence. Then toggle light to on for that deterrence light. From there, you can also set up the duration of the light, the sensitivity, and the type of light. To change the light type, go to deterrence mode. Light warning will just have a light shining, and then there's light strobe that has a strobe light flashing. You can actually change the frequency of the strobe from low to high. We'll set it on light warning. Then hit save. Go to AI, then motion. Here you can select the specific event you want the deterrence lights to be triggered by, and then toggle deterrent to on. And there you have it. Okay, now I'm going to line cross. Here we have human and vehicle detection. There are just so many intelligent events that this camera has to offer, so there's just a lot to choose from, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for sticking around and watching this whole video. Let us know what you think about this turret camera down in the comments below. Leave a like if you found this video helpful at all. And that's all we have for you. See you in the next video.